How to contact seller on Trendyol. So if you're looking to message the seller, maybe ask something, ask about the delivery or about the items that you wish to purchase, it's actually pretty easy to do. So the only thing that you have to watch out for is that not every seller actually supports this function in here within the app to actually receive messages. So not every seller you'll be able to message. So say for example, I open up the scat and then we scroll down. This is how you find the seller. So scroll down until you see, as you can see, Trendyol. All right, so this is Trendyol official seller. You can also follow them, and as you can see, you can't message them. So on the top, there should be a button, a message, like a small message button, and as you can see, it's not here. Let's search for something else, for example. Let's go to the flash sale all the way up and choose something. Just anything. Let's say this item. So who is the seller here? The seller is Vask. There you go. So as you can see, also no message. So particular sellers allow messaging them and some don't. So if you don't see this button, don't be afraid, it's not only you. But in general, if you find a seller that has the message button next to follow or next to their rating, that's how you message them, and now you know where to start. Enjoy guys, if this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.